Hey, this is Professor Perez from Saddleback College. Today, we are going to do more decimal calculations with a calculator. Now, I'm going to walk you through it, and we're only going to use the calculator when we absolutely need to. Actually, Charlie's going to do it for us, so let's get him out. He better be ready to go. Hey, Charlie, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Got your calculator?
Yeah.
All right, here we go, right there. Now, notice, Charlie, we have a subtraction, a division, and an addition. Order of operations says we have to do what first, Charlie?
Division.
The division, that's right. Okay, now, here we go. Get your calculator out. Do 2.48488 and divide by 0.698. What'd you get?
3.56.
Very nice there, Charlie. So we'll bring down our work. And now we have a subtraction and an addition. What do?
Subtraction.
That's right, subtraction first. We got to work left to right. What's 2.56? Subtract 3.56.
-1.
Use a calculator if you have to.
-1.
What'd you get?
-1.
-1. Now, I'm sure some of you could do it without a calculator, right? And -1 plus 3, hopefully you don't need a calculator for this, Charlie. You better not. What's -1 plus 3?
2.
2. That is just too good. Let's do another one. Here we go, Charlie. Now, what do we have to do first?
Exponent.
Exponents. Very nice. What's 1/3 squared?
1/9.
1/9. That's right. And what's 3/7 squared?
9/49.
9/49. Very nice. Okay. We don't need a calculator for that. Now, if we're going to do 1/9 times 21.6, remember 21.6 is over 1, we get 21.6 over 9 plus 9 times 132.3 over 49, right? All right. Now, take your calculator out, Charlie, and do 21.6 divided by 9. What do you get?
2.4.
Okay. Now, do 9 times 132.3 divided by 49. What do you get?
24.3.
Very nice. And what's your final answer, Charlie? Add the two together.
26.7.
Very nice, 26.7. Okay, let's do another one. We'll make it a hard one. Here we go, Charlie, right there. Now, we're going to work in steps. Now, what we're going to do first is change our decimals to fractions, just to work through it. Now, you can try this at home and try to put all those numbers in your calculator at once and see if you get our answer. Charlie and I are going to work in steps. All right, Charlie, now, pay attention. We're going to, in the parentheses, we have 2/3 subtract 3 and 2/10. Let's write the 3 and 2/10 as the mixed number. There it is right there. And we're going to divide by 0.25, which is 25 hundredths, and that's squared, don't forget, plus 3.2. All right, Charlie. Now, how do we write 3 and 2/10 as an improper fraction, Charlie? What do?
10 times 3 is 30, plus 2 is 32 over 10.
32 tenths. There it is. Now, divided by 25 hundredths, but we can reduce 25 hundredths to what, Charlie?
1/4.
1/4, okay? And it's squared plus a 3.2. Now, we're going to work the parentheses, but we're going to use some kung fu, right? What's the lowest common denominator, Charlie, for 2/3 and 32 tenths?
30.
30, very nice. And so, 3 goes into 30. 10 times 2 is 20, right? And 10 goes into 30 3 times. 3 times 32 is 96. And there's our kung fu over 30, right? Now, we're going to divide by 1/4 squared. Now, what's 1/4 squared, Charlie?
1/16.
1/16 plus 3.2. So far, we haven't used the calculator, right? All right. Well, hopefully we can do this. Now, Charlie, what's 20 subtract 96?
-76.
-76, right? By kung fu, 96 subtract 20 is 76. So 20 subtract 96 is -76. And it's -76 over 30, and that's squared. Now, Charlie, we have to divide by 1/16. So we multiply by what?
16 over 1.
16 over 1, the reciprocal, plus 3.2. And now, here we go. Negative 76 over 30 can be reduced, right, Charlie? What does it reduce to?
38 over 15?
Negative 38 over 15, divide top and bottom by 2. That's squared. We'll bring down our work. Now, we'll bring out the calculator. We have negative 38 fifteenths squared, which means negative 38 over 15 times negative 38 over 15, which is a positive number, Charlie. Use the calculator and tell me what you get. What's the numerator?
1,444.
Okay, what's the denominator?
225.
Very nice. And don't forget, that has to be multiplied by 16 over 1, which is 16, and add the 3.2. Now, we've got it simplified to where we're going to put everything in our calculator and get an answer. So here we go, Charlie. What's 1,444 times 16 divided by 225? Now add 3.2. What'd you get?
105.8844444444.
Very nice there, Charlie. And we're going to round our answer to the nearest thousands. What do you get, Charlie?
105.884.
Very nice there, Charlie. That is our final answer. So there you go. We're going to do a lot more problems with decimals where you have to use that calculator, right? All right. Anyway, that was a good warm-up. That's it for now. We'll see you all again soon.